What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Now today I'm going to be giving you a rapid remedy for your eyesight problem. Are you using a glass? You're having problems with your eye, or you don't even know what to do, or you don't have the money to go spend in an eye clinic for some expensive therapy or injection or whatsoever. Well, try this out. It's actually very natural, very simple, and you'll be like, is it just this? I think I know this. Yes, I know you're gonna know it, but it is gonna be very, very effective. Okay, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. Drop your questions on my website. Okay, now to improve your eyesight, we're going to be needing fresh aloe vera. For this particular remedy, guys, you don't have to use the processed aloe vera. You have to use this particular fresh aloe vera. Okay, that's what you'll be needing. All right, and we're going to be making this treatment in two sections. The first one is going to be for eye drop, and then the second one is going to be for consuming. Okay, because you have to improve the eyesight both from the outside and from the inside. Okay, all right, so let me show you the ingredients for the inner part of it. All right, so the first ingredients we're going to be needing will be, so we're gonna be needing lemon, and here in this part of Africa, guys, we have our lemons looking like this. Most times it's usually more green than this, but other times it can be lemon in color, just like this one. It's starting to go lemon in color. All right, and the next one we're going to be needing is granules. We're going to be making use of granule. Now granule is very essential for the body, all right, so do not neglect it. I'm going to be showing you a way in which you're going to be making this granules, and you're going to be taking it. Okay, and then the last one is going to be unrefined organic fresh honey. All right, so you have to make use of honey for this. Okay, so the first one I'm going to prepare will be for the external use. So I'm gonna be cutting the aloe vera, guys. So let me grab this. So we're not gonna be needing this part. So I'm gonna be needing just a little of that. Okay, just a little of this is gonna be okay. So what you do is that you're going to remove the peel basically for this, or if you can't actually remove the peel, it's still okay, but what we need is basically the gel. And here's the gel, guys. So what you do is that we're going to divide this into two. Put that into this bowl. I don't know if you're actually seeing that. Alright, so I've actually transferred it into this bowl so you guys can see. What you do is that you put in a little bit of water, guys. Okay, and then you would have to make sure that the aloe vera like comes out. Okay, let me bring it close so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm actually like cutting the aloe vera gel so that it can mix with this water, guys. So basically that's just what you're going to do, or if you can just blend the aloe vera. If you have much of it, you can just blend it. Okay, so when it's like this, guys, it's okay. What you do is that you keep this for like some hours. Okay, so what you do is that when you have a problem of sight, or your eye is always red, you have to first of all discontinue using anything that is actually making it that way, and then you use this aloe vera eye drop. Okay, so you grab this aloe vera and then you make sure that it drops into your eye. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, you can see that drop. It drops into your eye just like that. Okay, let me drop in another place. Drops into your eye. Now when you blend it, guys, it's not gonna be slimy just like this one is. When it drops into your eye, then you close your eye for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or as long as you can close your eye, and then when you open it, it's just going to relax the nerves of your eye and the redness is going to be calm, guys. So basically that's how you're going to do it. So what you do is that you turn this into a little jar so you can store it. Okay, then you are always using this. Don't use any other expensive and other eye drops that will spoil your eyes. Use just aloe vera and water. Okay, all right, so let me show you the part 2. Now for the aloe vera eye drop, you can use it 3 to 4 times in a day, or you can use it every evening if your situation is very bad. All right, so for the granules, we're just going to be washing it, guys. Okay, so you have to wash anything you want to consume. So we'll be washing it, then we'll now transfer that into a bowl where we would be blending it. Okay, so to blend this, you're going to be putting in just a little bit of water, not too much, so that you can blend it very well. Okay, alright, so I'm done blending the granules. Okay, so now you're going to be transferring that into a cup. Now if you don't want to use granules, guys, you can actually use almond nuts. Okay, but for now I can't get hold of almond nuts, that's why I have to make use of granules. Okay, so what you do is to cut in the lemon, and in this you're going to be using just a half cut of lemon, and then you're going to be squeezing in the lemon into the granules. Then you're going to be putting in 1 full tablespoon of honey. Okay, now what you do is to turn this. Okay, also if you're aiming to reduce weight, you can as well take this. It's going to help you for that, and it's going to help you for your eyesight. Alright, so let me have a taste and tell you how it tastes like. This is really yummy and really nice too, and this is going to help you for your eyesight, guys. You are going to be throwing away that glasses. Okay, let me have a take of it again. With a little bit of lemon in it, it makes it really great. It's going to help you so very much. Also for the eye drop, so for this you can actually do this once in a week, and then for the eye drop you can do that 3 times to 4 times in a week. Okay, and your eyesight is going to be as sharp as whatever you think is sharp. Okay, So basically that's it. Aloe vera does a whole bunch of stuff. Dropping that in your eyes would clear your eye. Like you are not going to be using glasses anymore. Like you are going to be reading from your country to my own country. Like, you know what that is. Anyways, okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Please follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's relate, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawless. Bye.